what's up? Sami here.
And I'm Sami.
And this is the iPhone 14 Pro and this is the 13 Pro. And in this video, we are going to compare the camera test, everything, right? We test the camera,
But don't forget, Sami and I
yeah.
already made the review about Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro, so don't forget to check that video too.
Yeah, exactly. By the way, this hoodie was sent by Textile, and it has something really high tech, like okay.
This is water resistance.
Yeah. So water repellent, stamp repellent, you see.
Wow.
So it's cool. We're going to do slow motion
about it.
later maybe. I thought you were gonna spray it to me.
I want to spit on it, but I think it's a little bit rude, right?
Okay, let's get started.
I'm not sure if you can see, but on iPhone we can use the slow motion 240 frames per second, but Xiaomi 13 Pro you can record it until 1920 frames per second. This is crazy slow. Guys, we have just this brilliant idea to make a slow motion opening the Pepsi can bottle, but Pepsi is not paying us.
Yeah,
please
so
support our channel. Let's see what's happening.
So
Wait.
wait. Okay, you ready?
No. Wait.
Recording in a 4K 30. I can see from here it's like iPhone is way better with a much higher dynamic range. The Xiaomi with that 1-inch sensor seems not that good. Okay, so now we are recording in a 4K 30. I can see from here it's like iPhone is way better with a much higher dynamic range. The Xiaomi with that 1-inch sensor seems not that good. Anyway, I will run a little bit to see the stabilization. Oh no! Both phones looks good. Okay, seems okay. Run a little bit. Okay. That's it.
Sami just saw somebody go to his bike. I think you need to go. You go. I will follow him. Let's test the stabilization. Sorry, I'm shaking it too much. Yeah, the security guy is complaining about the bike is safe now.
Yeah, it's safe.
Cannot park in shopping mall. Sami cannot park in the shopping mall. Now we are testing the rear camera. I am recording in 1080p 30 frames per second in both phones. Let me try to start to zoom in with iPhone 13 Pro. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15. iPhone is maximum 9. So let me turn back to 9 and then we can compare with the same zoom mode. Okay, now both of them is 9. Let me check if we can go to ultra wide when we are recording. Okay, iPhone now, both in ultra wide. iPhone ultra wide seems better in the camera, in this phone, but I'm not sure after we put in the computer. You can check the details. This is ultra wide. Let me put wide now. Okay. Oops. Oh, one more. Ay, so difficult. Now is wide. Sami is preparing himself to get wet person, and that's his new hoodie. Now let's start to walk a little so we can check the stabilization. It's very funny because iPhone 14 Pro, when you are looking to the phone screen, it's very shaky. But when you see the video, it's very stable. So I'm not sure exactly about the result. In Xiaomi 13 Pro, seems really stable. Wow. Almost fly away. The sound maybe is not very good because it's too windy today. I'm really sorry for this. Against the sun. Back to the starting point. Now both phones are in 4K, 30 frames per second. I just forgot to mention to you guys, when we are using the selfie camera, iPhone can record it in 4K, but Xiaomi 13 Pro is only 1080p. It's unfortunately, but this is how it works. So let's just test a little 4K. I don't want to spend too much time in 4K because most of the people don't use this. Then we will go back to do the slow motion with Sami and take some photos.
Run a little bit. Run! I'm like an idiot, right? Okay. Alright, so that's the camera test between the iPhone 14 Pro and the Xiaomi 13 Pro. I'm not sure. We have to view those pictures and photos on computer to see what's better. But our first glance is like iPhone is much better, right?
Yeah, but I mentioned to Sami just because iPhone screen is crazy
screen is way
good.
better. Yeah. So we don't know yet, but anyway, what do you think? Which is your favorite? Leave the comments below. And please don't forget to subscribe to Sami's channel and my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.